Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be telling you and showing you guys how I made this beautiful dress for a friend of mine that went for a white party this weekend. Oh my goodness, guys, she looked so stunning in this dress. Please stay to the end so you see how she looks. Thank you. Hi everyone. So this is the pattern that I'm using to make this white dress that I just showed you on my mannequin. This is the pattern that I cut out. It's a bustier dress that I'm working on. This is the front pattern and this is the back pattern. And I had to just trace out this thing for the wording that I'm using. And this is the lining all interfaced. And then this is the main fabric. I already went ahead to cut it and start pinning. I use a lot of pins. If you're a beginner, I advise that you use lots and lots of pins. And then this is the skirt. This is the back piece and this is the front. I already went ahead to cut out the fabric and the lining. Yes, so I'm going to show you a bit of the sewing and then the final look, and I'll give you a review. So just keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button so that whenever I upload, you'd be the first to know. Thank you so much and see you guys soon. Hi everybody, so this is me sewing the dress, putting the pieces together. I didn't want the video to be too long and so you guys can just enjoy the process. I'm going to show you how it looks on the mannequin now. Hi guys, so this is a dress on a mannequin. You can tie it as a bow by the side or you can just let it drape. You know, I used the basic skirt and the bustier pattern. I added boning, wadding, and then I draped it by the side. You can actually tie it by the side or just let it drape like my friend did. Guys, I enjoyed making this dress. Just look at how my friend looks in her beautiful dress. Amazing, smart, confident, and hot. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Show some love to your girl. Help me grow. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment below and I'll help you. And like I always say, what God cannot do does not exist. See you in my next video. Stay fabulous and God bless you. Bye, guys.